guys, it's Anais and welcome to my channel. I'm happy to present you today this Valentine's makeup look. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Firstly, I'm applying a base to my lid to prevent everything from creasing, using MAC Soft Cup and Pot. I'm using today the gorgeous palette Saint&Sinner from Kat Von D. I'm applying the light pink, almost white color Baptisme all over as a base. In the crease, I'm applying Rosary, which is, I would say, a satiny burgundy color with fuchsia undertones. Blending the satiny red color Stigmate in the crease. I'm using again Rosary, but this time on my lid and using my finger to grab all the pigments. On the inner corners, I'm using Heaven, a shimmery grey with rosy champagne undertones. Then, on the lid, I'm applying Rapture, a pink top coat shadow with micro glitters in it. I'm adding a beige matte highlight on the brow bone with Amen. I'm cleaning my under eyes with micellar water on a cotton. Now, I'm using a white water activated paint from Mehron Paradise with a thin precise brush to draw a line above the crease. I'm taking back the eyeshadow Rosary and I'm applying it above and under the white line to add definition. I'm also reapplying a second layer of the water activated paint to make the white pop even more. Then I have applied some falsies and the Omega Lash Mascara from Marc Jacobs. I'm moisturizing my skin with the cream Premier Cru from Caudalie. For foundation, I'm using the Very Vegan HD foundation from W7. To obtain my color, I'm mixing the shade Buff with the shade Fresh Beige. For concealer, I'm using the Cover Perfection Tip Concealer from the Korean brand Saem. I like the coverage it gives, so next time I will have to try it with a sponge. To set my face, I'm using the Selfie Powder from W7. With micellar water, I'm removing the foundation on my lips. For blush, I'm using the Ombre blush from NYX in the shade Insta Flame. I'm using quite a bit of blush today on my cheeks and also up to the cheekbones and on my forehead. For this particular makeup, I'm also applying it on my nose, connecting the blush from the cheeks to the nose. For highlighter, I'm using the Glowcomotion from W7, which is actually pretty good. And I'm applying it on my cheekbones, on the tip of the nose, cupid bow, on the brow bone, and on the inner corners. Taking back the eyeshadow palette from Kat Von D, I'm applying rosary all over my lower lash line. Adding the red eyeshadow stigmata on half of my lower lash line. And finally Crucifix, a matte brown on the outer third of my lower lash line. Then I have applied mascara on my lower lash line. To redefine my brows, I'm using the Drawing Eyebrow from Etude House. And then simply brushing them. I'm using now the white felt tip liner from NYX to create some freckles. Actually, I don't like this liner to draw eyeliner or some other lines, cause I don't think the product goes out evenly. It's never the right amount of product or the right opacity, so not for me. However, I like it for taping motions like points or freckles, cause not too much product goes out of it and it's not running all over. Now, I'm using the Eyelash Adhesive from Duo to stick the hearts. I have found mine in a craft store, so that's why I needed a makeup glue to stick them. So I'm placing them on my face where I wanted, which is on my forehead, on my cheeks, on the inner corners, and one on my chin. For lips, I'm using two lipsticks from I Heart Makeup. I wanted to have two straight colors, so I'm not mixing them or blending them together. I'm applying the red shade Total Diva on the lower lips and the bright pink shade called Candy Rock on the upper lips. And I have done the same process on the chest, which is blush, highlight, strass, and white eyeliner. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more upcoming videos.